माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, मंत्रिमंडल के साथी धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, जुअल ओराम जी, अश्विनी वैष्णव जी, हमारे राज्य मंत्री शोभा करंजले जी, कीर्ति वर्धन सिंह जी, पवित्र मार्गरीटा जी, उप मुख्यमंत्री कनकवर्धन सिंह देव जी, प्रभाती परिदा जी, हमारे प्रवासी भाइयों और बहनों, दोस्तों, आज 18वें प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस में आप सबका स्वागत करते हुए मुझे अत्यंत खुशी हो रही है। हर 2 साल में आयोजित होने वाले यह समारोह एक पारिवारिक पुनर्मिलन जैसा है। विदेशों में रहने वाले भारतीय अपने देश में हो रही प्रगति और विकास को स्वयं देख पाते हैं, अनुभव कर पाते हैं। आप सभी न केवल अपने जीवन की उपलब्धियां पर गर्व करते हैं, बल्कि विदेशों में हमारे लिए बढ़ते सम्मान का भी अनुभव करते हैं। और साथ ही साथ हम भारतीय भी विदेशों में रहने वाले अपने परिजनों की सफलता और उपलब्धियां पर भी गर्व करते हैं। Friends, in a globalized era, the diaspora only becomes more important with each passing year. Whether it is technology, best practices, or resources, be it tourism, trade, or investment, the two-way flows you enable are invaluable. As we strive to build a global workplace, this will be even more so in the times to come. The very people-centric changes we promote in India also benefit the diaspora. This could be enhancing the ease of doing business, promoting ease of living, or facilitating connectivity and travel. The application of digital technologies to ensure diaspora welfare is also apparent. In the last decade, we have seen the simplification of passport issues and renewal, as well as ease of attestations. Consular services, all of you have seen, have improved. Welfare measures have increased. Grievance platforms are effective, and embassies and consulates across the world are more responsive. And most important, in times of difficulties, you can be confident that the Modi Sarkar has your back. Friends, the hosting of this PBD in Odisha is reflective of the Modi Sarkar's Purvodaya policy. In so many ways, Odisha represents the full richness of our history and culture. Be it darshan of Mahaprabhu Jagannath Ji or Lingaraj Bhagwan, or visiting Konark Temple, experiencing cultural festivals, folk arts, state products and cuisine, many of you have actually had direct experiences of this during this visit. But as Foreign Minister, I also want to highlight the external impact of Odisha. The famous Bali Yatra is actually a precursor of what is today the Government of India's Act East policy. When we define ourselves as an Indo-Pacific nation, we do so from the eastern seaboard of Odisha. This gathering should inspire you all to nurture more strongly our heritage, traditions, and identity. Friends, we are all assembled at a time when the world may look more uncertain, perhaps even more volatile. However, the message that you will take away from this occasion is of a Bharat that is more confident, modernizing, and inclusive, where tradition and technology go hand in hand, where the journey towards Viksit Bharat is ongoing, and each one of you, in your own way, can make a difference to the realization of that goal. I welcome you all again. I wish you all a productive convention. Jai Jagannath, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय विदेश मंत्री जी, आपके उद्बोधन के लिए, स्वागत उद्बोधन के लिए। और अब हम ओडिशा के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री मोहन चरण मांझी जी से सादर अनुग्रह करेंगे। कृपया आज के इस अवसर पर अपने उद्गार साझा करने की कृपा करें।
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।